In this video, we're going to show you how you can find more information about the software and help you with self-learning. First of all, if you let the mouse cursor hover over a tool on the toolbar, it opens up a tooltip. This tooltip provides information about the tool. You can see the name of the tool and a brief description. For some tools, you can see a hotkey that can be used to activate the relevant functionality. For example, if you place your mouse over the Zoom tool, you will see that using the Z key on your keyboard, you can activate the Zoom tool. So just press Z and use the Zoom tool. The main resource of information is the Help menu. You can see the contents of the user guide and expand each section that you need. You can also search through the index, or use the text search. Another way that can bring up quick help about a tool is the Show Help On option. When pressing the Show Help On, you can click on any tool and the user guide is loaded in the specific section that describes the selected tool. In this way, you can easily locate information about a tool that you want. For example, Directions tool. You can also start the Show Help On by using this help icon on the toolbar. Finally, in the About option, there is some other information about the software. You can see the software serial number, the installed program version, and the specific build. This information is useful when you need to contact the official technical support. Last but not least, there's also a printable version of the user guide for those who may want to have the guide at hand. Using the Start menu, you can navigate to Drawings program menu and load the user guide. Using the Print option, you can print any portion of the user guide you need.